In Interact HRMS, there's a module that allows you through the payroll to make payments to third parties other than your employees. And those third parties are either for benefits for which you are deducting premiums, or for taxes for which you are making payments to the tax authorities. So the payroll obviously is able to print checks or to make direct bank transfer files and to create journal entries afterwards. For the same purpose, you can use the payroll to make payments to your tax authorities, or you can make payments to your benefit providers. So if we go and look at the third-party benefit provider payments, you can see that some of them are already booked here. Here are the payments that were already processed for third parties and insurance companies, Social Security Services, and the National General Insurance Company back in April. Now we have got payroll that was run for May. So what we're going to do is look at what has been withheld from employees for the month of May. And you do it based on the specific type of benefit. So here we're looking at Social Security, and all it takes, the system will provide you with the details. So the total that needs to be transferred to the Social Security Services is this amount, and then you go ahead and generate your payment. Now you can choose to either pay through Accounts Payable, or you can pay through the payroll with either a check or a direct bank transfer. And that's all you need to do. So let's say we choose check, and then we're going to go in here and say who has reviewed this, and that will be Rosie, and the date when this has been reviewed, and we're going to have it approved straight away in the system also. Now this is all it takes. I'm going to save this payment, and then we post it. You see the total amount that employees have contributed, the total amount the employer has contributed, and then the total benefit that's going to be paid. And we go ahead and post this transaction. Now we can also find in the third-party payment check printing. Here is that same check, and you can go ahead and generate your check. Now these checks can be done based on specific formats, can be done in many different ways. We'll take another look at a direct bank transfer file format. If we look at another payment that is due, please note that Interact is a global system, so we're giving you general examples here that apply to different types of organizations anywhere in the world. You can really create this the way you want to. So we'll look at this was the April one that was done for United Insurance. Now we look at the May payment that is due. Here it is. And we're going to go ahead and produce that. And then we're going to choose to generate for medical insurance, and we're going to post it. And after that, we can proceed with making the direct bank transfer. Here we choose the third-party payment direct bank transfer. And this will give us the ones that are currently available. Here's the one for United Insurance. And we're going to proceed with that one. And we are to give it a file name. So that's all there is to it. So basically, the third-party payables module is there to enable you to process your payments from your payroll for all deductions that have been made through the payroll to insurance companies, benefit providers, and tax authorities. So the same process that I just followed, I can do that for tax payments. These are also covered under the third-party payables, either tax payments or any other third party. You see that I can choose the benefit provider payments, the check printing, the direct bank transfer file, and then the accounts payable payments journal, depending on which method that you used. So it's of course seamlessly integrated with the payroll itself. That's the whole purpose, to save you the time and effort to worry about doing this through your finance system. You can do it directly from the payroll.